Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to get add-ons on your Google Drive account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. All you have to do is sign in to your Google account. Now right here, this is the interface once you have logged in. Now let's simply try to add add-ons in our Google Drive. At the right corner of the screen, right here, as you can see, there's something like this. And right here, you'll see a plus-like icon. In case you don't find it, what you can do is click on this button at the bottom right that says Show Side Panel. Click on it, and then you will see it. I'm just gonna click on the plus icon right here. And then from this section, you can get all the add-ons you want. It's up to you. You can search them, or you can simply install them from right here. For instance, I'm gonna select this one here and simply hit on install. I'm gonna hit on continue. And guys, as you can see, the add-on is being installed for our Google Drive. And that's it guys. As you can see, the add-on has been installed. And guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.